Are you striving to start or create personalized customer experience to truly wow your audience? Are you ready to go beyond the expected and unlock the full potential of your customer data? Then stay tuned. So, introducing you to Dotdigital. So, Dotdigital is an all-in-one platform designed to empower growth-minded marketers to create personalized customer experiences that exceed expectations. So that's actually their motto right here. So imagine turning your customer data into a single trusted source of truth using AI powered insights to understand customer behavior, delivering hyper personalized campaigns across every channel. Dotdigital makes it all possible. So in this video, we'll explore how Dotdigital can transform your marketing strategy. So as you can see, they are trusted by a lot of big companies like Adobe, Microsoft, Shopify, Salesforce, BigCommerce, Shopware, and a lot more, for example. So in this, you should be able to get actionable data that can actually capture customers and keep them coming back to your business. So they're actually an all-in-one platform for growth-minded marketers, and you can see in here that you can unify and enrich your data. You can segment and decide. You can also activate and report a lot of things using this particular campaign. So first things first, let's head over to their website, which is dotdigital.com. Once you're in here, you can either log in or click onto this request a demo in order to get a demo onto their platform. So you can just click onto that and you should be able to use it. So as you can see right here in their Digital homepage, you should be able to see in here this. So we have in here this actual campaigns, the overview for that, as well as the reports. You can see in here the campaigns that you have modified recently, as well as the campaigns that you have set up or sent recently. You can also see in here who modified that particular campaign as well as a summary of that. You can also see a preview of that and you can test it. So about this email campaigns sent recently, these are the campaigns that's already been published. So onto that you can see the name, the date that it's been sent, as well as this how many times it's been sent, how many times it's been delivered. You can see right here that this one has been delivered for 96.98%. So you can see in here as well how many times those delivered campaigns has been opened. So for the 3,724 campaigns that has been delivered, 1,865 from them has been opened. So this is actually just a 50.08% success rate. But in some cases, you can even go up from up to around 86%. This actually is dependent on how you structure your campaign in order to actually increase your email engagement. You can also add contacts into your actual campaigns. So for example, you can head over right here to this messaging icon, then go over right here to the contacts in order to choose right here the contact that you can send the campaign into. So I have in here Sebastian. So you can see the actual data when it's been created and when they have actually subscribed. If you can also see in here the contact scoring as well as the purchase space if they're an actual or avid customer of yours. So aside from that, you can also see their sales has been made on that particular contact. You can see their last order value, their last order date, average time between orders, as well as AOV, and total revenue from them, as well as the number of orders. So as you can see, they have ordered for around 3 times already, which means they're already a repeat and loyal customer. So you can see in here under that the engagement, like number of emails that has been sent to this particular contact when it's been last sent. So for example, it's been sent on March 29, and when is the last email opened, last visit date to your site, as well as the number of visits to your site using the email that you have generated personalized for them. So using Dotdigital, it can help you create personalized emails that can actually convert. So as you can see, the email has generated 7 visits from this particular contact with 3 number of orders. Now, take note that you can also segment each contact into a particular cohort. Like for example, on all your contact, you can click onto the segments right here. You can unify and segment them into one place. So we have in here these categories. We have active website visitors. We have contacts who have placed an order, as well as email campaign non-openers, Mother's Day campaign, engaged contacts, as well as multiple orders. You can see in here once it's been last updated, as well as the count of people onto that particular segment. Now, if you want to send an email, you can just click on which segment you want to send it to. For example, you can just click onto this multiple orders, and then you should be able to send those emails personalized already into the 1,733 people on this particular contact list. Now, you can also see the active website visitors onto your actual website. It can be directed from your email itself that can help you see if it's actually been working. So you should be able to see in here if your campaign is working as usual. Now we have another segment right here for our customer dashboard. We have in here inactive customers, which makes up for around 20.94% of our customer base. We also have lapsing for high potential as well as need nurturing. So you can typically just send those emails to those high potential and need nurturing customers in order to actually encourage them to buy again. Now you can see in here the active, we have champions, we have loyal, and we have recent. So these people or customers right here are actually been converted already by the emails you sent using Dotdigital. Now let's go over to automation. So you can just go over right here to your mail option, then click onto this automation option. Now you can just input right here the workflow that you want. So on some cases, they also have some templates that you can actually choose, and you can also just choose the program nodes that you want added. Like for example, we have in here the send store event for those, and you can wait until the specified time. And then you can choose in here the kind of people, like for example, have opened the selected campaign, as well as you can exit the non-openers. So this is actually an effective workflow. And once you're done designing, you can click onto the save and then click onto this activate. And you should be able to send or activate this workflow. It can be your event program, it can be your campaign and the likes, and it should be able to actually send those personalized email using this automation that we have created from Dotdigital. You can also edit your campaign, like for example, you can change the subject line in order to make this a hook in order to actually ask them to open it themselves. So we also have in here this friendly from name. So for example, we have in here forwarding address as well as campaign tags themselves. So you can see in here a preview of what it will look like. You can show in here or put in here a preview of that email, and this is what it will look like. You can restore what's been added or what's been deleted as well. After you have sent the campaign, you should be able to see in here the performance for that particular campaign. So for example, we have in here this last chance as well as a sale follow-up. You can compare those campaigns against each other in order to see what you lack and what can be improved into the next campaign itself, or if it's already been improved and it already works. So you can head over and then use those as well. Now, if you're interested to learn more, you can head over to their website, which is dotdigital.com, and then just click on this request demo and then explore their platform in order to learn more on how you can personalize your emails that you send to your customer database. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.